thanks guys, thanks for watching. This time we went for a bit of a mix of different styles, so a bit of stop motion, a bit of slow motion, hopefully a bit of like cool shots when basically my girlfriend Marianne is doing the stuff. Just trying to see if it's like actually, if I'm missing shots because I'm trying to do the shots plus the filming, and if it'll actually work with me doing just one of those. Obviously it takes the points away from me making my own salads and then filming them, but this is again an experiment to see what works and what doesn't. I'm sure if it did work, then I'd probably do it again, not every single video, but definitely once every now and again. The salad, super simple, very tasty. Basically chickpeas and roasted red peppers, and I can smell it now. We haven't actually eaten, so I'm quite hungry, and yeah, hope you enjoyed. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and join us again tomorrow. Cheers.